So here we go, the third test drive from my Porsche Boxster that I rebuilt myself. I'm off to the MOT center right now, and I must say it drives really good. The only problem is, together with my father-in-law, we did bleed the clutch again, but again the pedal is back on the floor. It's just high enough to shift the car, so that's not the best. And also, this is how my steering wheel looks when I'm driving straight. So also not ideal, but at the MOT center they are also going to realign the car front to back, so when it's coming back, everything should be okay. So that's nice. Oh man, it drives so good. Even with the crooked steering wheel and the clutch that doesn't work as it should, it still drives really good. There's still a check engine light, but I don't have the scan tool to look what it is, so they will see at the MOT center what that is, what that's about, I hope. It is evening right now, so I already hear the questions. Why are you driving to the MOT center at evening? Well, I have to work tomorrow, so I'm going to drop it off right now, put the keys inside the mailbox. 5th gear, nice. And then they will check the car tomorrow, and they are going to give me a call if it's ready or not. Here I come, you can hide. Oh man, so stoked to drive this car. That was strange. The clutch came back completely by itself. So a couple of minutes ago I had to pull it with my toes back up, and I just wanted to do that, and plop! It came back from itself, by itself. You know what I mean, right? One of the things that I'm not used to is how small this car is. Normally I drive a Ram 1500 pickup truck all day, every day as my daily. But this is so small and sporty, because my Ram 1500 drives like a boat. This really is the first proper test drive. I had to do it. Just a small little pool. To see how it drives. So, we're almost there. See you in a bit. As you can see, the car is back from MOT and it passed first try. So really glad about that. There is still one minor big fault, and that is that the clutch was... I had to bleed the clutch together with my father-in-law, and yeah, it was on the ground again. So the MOT center or the garage called me and said I can't do the MOT because the clutch isn't working. So I asked them, well, can you fix it for me? Because I already tried and it really didn't hold the pressure that it needed to. And so they did. And the next day when I picked it up, the clutch was better, but not fully functioning. So when you press the clutch a couple of times, then it's usable, but yeah, it's not really drivable, I would say. So I had to order the parts for that. I ordered a new cylinder to see if that's the problem, but it just didn't turn up yet. But yeah, we can finish the car, and that's what we are going to do now. So my idea is to finish the trunk first, and after that we are going to the front of the car. Now it's time to put in this piece. Nice. This liner is only held on with a couple of push pins. And it's also nicely tucked away around the coolant tank and underneath this rubber lining. As you can see, I'm a little bit struggling to get it in the right place, because it looks like fabric, but it was pretty hard. And this one is also tucked away under the rubber seal and tied in with a couple of push pins. And now, as the finishing touch, it's time for this black cover. It's only held on with 2 Phillips screws. Now in the last video, I believe, I couldn't find this bleed nipple. I was looking for it, I couldn't find it, and then I remembered, and also because of one comment, of a couple of comments from you guys, this piece, you can get it out, and underneath is the nipple. So this piece goes on top of the engine cover inside the car, and yes, I was having a little bit of fun with this piece. Let me show you. Now this piece was quite easy to install. You just smack it in place and tighten the 2 plastic twist caps, and it's all said and done. Now this piece goes on top of the engine cover lining, and this one was not that easy to install, but in the end it came out perfectly. Now the car is back together. It's time to wash the car, because look at this. It's really dirty from my garage floor. There's still a lot of dust coming off, so I'm also going to wash it in my garage so I can wash the dust from the floor away. So now that the car is clean, now that the car is clean, there's still something I want to do, and that's the last thing for this video, and that is put this Porsche dealer number plate holder on. So the reason I am changing the number plate holder is I just don't like the chrome on the car. And a real Porsche dealership number plate holder looks much better. At this moment I should have washed the car behind the old number plate. Too bad I didn't. It would have been much easier if I did it when the number plate was off, right? Because why make it harder than it should be? That was it, you guys. The car is clean from the outside. I still have to do the inside, but I don't have any leather product, so I am going to order that. And then it's waiting on the slave cylinder from the clutch pedal assembly thing on the gearbox. So when that's in, we are going to pick up the video from there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!